calmly show them that I am everything you say that I am. And if you ever utter the words that bitch, then okay, I'll take that charge and I'll be that bitch that comes with a long wish list. You wish you were this dope, you wish you were this girl, cause I'm such a fucking lady. Already served my time as a little girl and I'm not going back, cause now I can see clear. It was a nice place to visit, but I wouldn't want to live there. You are witnessing a new birth. I'm about to take you to church. I can lay my hand on your head while I bless the mic. So step up, who's first for a crash course in dopism. Coming at your throat so hard, you need a tracheotomy. I gotta get this side of me. Fucking with your mental so hard, you need a lobotomy. This is a rebirth. I'm sorry, I'm back and it's relentless. So wasting words would just be senseless. So excuse me while I gently kiss Emily, stroke the back of fragments and seduce hip hop and make love to poetry. Unleash intention upon the veins of life. This revolution needs to be televised before it is done. Tonight, collective. To hear tonight is two of us. We got two different ways to die. Choose one, Brother Ray. Up next.